Hello everyone, I am Francis Rocaville, studying in School of Holy Angels of St. Rita's Academy, grade 5 Gabriel. Today I am going to present an activity on soil erosion.
Teka mo.
I have to cut down 3 bottles. In the first bottle, there is just a soil. In the second bottle, there is soil. And on top of it, there are dry leaves. In the third bottle, I have some grown plants. I will pour equal amount of water in each bottle. So firstly, I will pour water in the first bottle which contains only soil. So now I will pour water in the second bottle which contains soil and dried leaves. Now I will pour water on the third container which has the plants on it. So now let's check the water that came out from the bottle. So you can see that the water came out from the first bottle has dust particles on it and it is dirty. In the second container, you can see that the water is cleaner compared to the first container. Now let's move to the third container. You can see that the water came out is the cleanest amongst all. Why is the water from the third container is the cleanest amongst all? This is because the plants hold the soil tightly and prevent them from eroding. So we must grow more plants and trees. Thank you for watching.